Good morning to all. Let's start again with the topic we were doing. We were on digital documentations, and today we need to start with the next session. We have just completed how to insert tables in Microsoft Word, and today we are going to learn about further things related to tables, like how to format them, how to increase and decrease the number of rows and columns, then splitting a table or joining one or more tables. See, practically seeing if you create a table in Microsoft Word, so practically to manage the table is quite difficult, and it is quite handy tool and very widely used, right? So today we'll learn about all those things which are very important in case of digital documentation. कि प्रैक्टिकली करने में ये चीज़ें जो हैं वो बहुत हेल्प होती है, ठीक है, बिकॉज टेबल्स को वर्ड पे मैनेज करना थोड़ा कॉम्प्लेक्स टास्क है. सो विल ट्राई टू लर्न ऑल दोज थिंग्स. लेट मी टेक द अटेंडेंस अगेन बिकॉज मोर नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स हैव जॉइंड. Okay, so I'll move on to the book. I'll share my screen. Okay, you can see here the topic is format a table. Now format a table is just doing all kind of modifications in a table. First of all, selecting rows and columns. To select a row, bring the mouse pointer to the left of the selection bar and click on it. It will select the entire row, right? Although where we have two ways. One is you just click on the first cell and then drag your mouse towards the end of the cell in that row. एक तरीका तो है कि फर्स्ट सेल पे क्लिक करो और माउस को ड्रैग कर दो लास्ट सेल तक, वो पूरी की पूरी रो सेलेक्ट हो जाएगी. सेकेंड वे इज you just click on the selection bar. Selection bar is just left of the table, right? मैं तुम्हें एक बार दिखा देता हूँ कैसे होता है ये. Let's insert one table first of all, then I'll show you. I'm inserting a table. Now if you want to select second row, so one way is click on the first cell, move your mouse to the last cell, तो ये select हो गई. Another way is you just come over here. You can see the mouse pointer changes when you move this side. ठीक है, माउस पॉइंटर यहाँ आके चेंज हो जाता है. तो जो भी रो सेलेक्ट करनी है, सेकंड करनी है, जस्ट क्लिक देयर, द एंटायर रो इज सेलेक्टेड, राइट. सिलेक्शन का फायदा क्या है? इफ यू वांट टू डिलीट दिस रो, द एंटायर रो, you simply press backspace key and the row is deleted, right? If you want to delete all the rows, select all the rows, multiple rows, by dragging your mouse down and press backspace key, it will delete, right? Remember, backspace will delete the row, and if you press delete key, तो इसके अंदर जो टाइप किया हुआ डेटा है that will be deleted, right? I'll just type 1 2 3 lines. Now if you select this and press delete, I'm pressing the delete key. Delete करने से आपका डेटा जो टाइप किया है that will be deleted, and to delete the complete rows you just press backspace. After selecting, press backspace. Fine. So this is about selection. Let's move on to the next things. So one more thing is that there are certain options the moment you add up a table. So you'll find two new tabs on the top. ऊपर ribbon के अंदर दो नए tabs आ जाते हैं, एक design है, एक layout है. This layout tab will contain maximum formatting options, right? So from there also we can do the selection. From where also we can use resizing, all sort of options you'll find in that layout and design tabs, right? और ये तभी विजिबल होंगे जब आप टेबल इंसर्ट करोगे, तब टेबल इंसर्ट करने के बाद आता है, राइट? So I'll show you afterwards. Let's do the next topic, and then I'll show you that also. Resizing a table. How to change the size of the table. One way is you can resize the table manually by dragging the size handle. Size handle आप देखोगे corners में छोटा सा ऐसा box होगा. So उसको drag करने से आपका table छोटा बड़ा किया जा सकता है. Right? Then you can also resize the table using the options available under auto fit in the layout tab. So layout tab में auto fit button है. That also has affects the same thing. Right? For that you need to select the table, go to auto fit button in the cell size group. Right? It is in the layout tab. उसमें cell size group में जाओ, auto fit button पे click करो. with 3 options आपको मिलेंगी and choose the designed one. Right? This is the button I'm talking about. You can see this figure over here. Right? So from here also we can resize the table. Now what all these options available in this auto fit button? पहला तो है auto fit content. Now when you select this, it will adjust the column width according to the text in the cells. तो जो भी column width है वो text के हिसाब से adjust हो जाएगी. Text में जो आपने टाइप किया हुआ है, whatever you have typed in that particular cell, so उसकी फॉर एग्जांपल लेट्स से पहले सेल में डेटा आपने नाम लिखा है which is longer, second cell में you have just written the class, right? So when you go with this option, तो वो क्या करेगा, जो सेल का साइज है ऑटोमेटिकली टेक्स्ट के हिसाब से एडजस्ट कर देगा. पहले वाला सेल जो है वो बड़ा हो जाएगा, दूसरा वाला छोटा हो जाएगा, राइट? एंड इफ देयर इज नो टेक्स्ट द कॉलम विड्थ विल श्रिंक. कॉलम विड्थ छोटी हो जाएगी. नेक्स्ट इज ऑटो फिट विंडो. इसी में दूसरा ऑप्शन है ऑटो फिट विंडो. व्हेन यू फर्स्ट क्रिएट अ टेबल, you will automatically fit between the margins. It will automatically come. By default ये होता है settings के automatically वो margins के बीच में आता है. And if you add a blank document, it will adjust to the fit in the margin, page margin size. So whatever the table comes to the center, or to it adjusts between the margins automatically whenever you select this option. तो आप नया कॉलम भी ऐड कर दो तब भी वो मार्जिन्स के हिसाब से टेबल को सेट कर लेता है, राइट? एंड इफ़ यू वांट सम फिक्स्ड लेंथ कॉलम्स, अगर चाहते हो कि भाई 1 इंच का कॉलम, सारे कॉलम्स 1 इंच के ही होने चाहिए, इट विल रिमेन फिक्स्ड, यू वांट टू फिक्स इट, देन वी कैन गो विद दिस थर्ड ऑप्शन, फिक्स्ड कॉलम विड्थ. फाइन. Now let's just have a look on these options. Now as you can see now, we don't have any extra tab over here on the top, but when you click on the table, you'll get these two tabs, design and layout. Otherwise वो highlighted नहीं होते. If you click this, you'll find different sort of designs that you can apply like this. These are the borders that you can give, right? So choose the border. These are ready-made designs that you can give. You simply choose the one that you want to have, or you can create your new style also, right? Or you can clear the format also. And similarly, you can modify the table styles if you want to. So like this is the modification available. From here, you can simply change the, do the formatting, and make the things text bold. You can change the colors, right? So make it bold or italics, whatever size you want to give, you can give, right? And these are the some ready-made designs that you can apply, right? So आप अपना एक डिज़ाइन भी बना सकते हो, so that will be applied. And talking about layout tab, layout में काफ़ी सारे options हैं, as you can see, tables and merging of tables and rows and columns if you want to add cell size, right? And text direction and all sort of options. So we'll do one by one all these things. right? And this is that auto fit option that we were talking about. इसमें ये 3 ऑप्शन है. पहला है auto fit content. Now when you see I click this, तो ये auto fit content is applied. Now if you type some text over here, like I'll type my name, तो वो अपने हिसाब से टेक्स्ट के हिसाब से कॉलम की विड्थ जो है वो एडजस्ट करता जाएगा, right? Right, this is auto fit. Then if you talk about auto fit window, तो then it will adjust the things as per the window. ये इस मार्जिन से लेके यहाँ तक के मार्जिन के बीच में it will adjust everything automatically, right? And even if you try to add a new column, like here we have an option to insert to the left, right? So I'll just click here to add a new column. तो वो size को automatically adjust कर रहा है, right? You can keep on adding columns, and likewise auto fit window कर दो तो वो window के हिसाब से set हो जाएगा. Third option is fixed column width. Now for that, whatever settings you have done, that will be fixed. You cannot change it later on. तो अगर आप text type भी करोगे तो आपका text अगर बड़ा हो जा रहा है तो वो उसको नेक्स्ट लाइन में ले जाएगा, सेल को नहीं हटाएगा. सेल का साइज जो है कॉलम का साइज से फिक्स हो जाएगा, राइट? सो these are the options available to us. Changing the alignment of the text. Now these are the alignment options. As you can see, it's in the layout tab again, जो अभी हमने open की थी. And left, center, right are there, and then this is left top, this is left middle, and left bottom, and this is center top, center middle, center bottom, right top, right middle, right bottom. Right, so these are the alignments, 9 type of alignments available, so you can apply whichever you want to, right? As इसी में there's another option called as text direction, from where you can move the text in any of the directions, right? So, and then we have cell margins, from where we can put up the margins, right? This is inserting. I'll show you all this one, but afterward let's cover up 2-3 topics. एक साथ कर लेंगे उसका practical. Inserting a rows and column, just have shown you कि insert below, insert left, insert right, ये कुछ options होते हैं जिससे आप ये this is to add up a row and these two are to add up the columns, right? There's one more of also insert above, right? So insert above will add up in row above wherever you have clicked. आपने जहाँ क्लिक किया है उसके ऊपर एक रो ऐड हो जाएगी. And when you click on insert below, it will add up a row below that row wherever you have clicked or whichever you have selected. ऐसे insert left will insert a new column on the left side of the text or the cell that you have selected, and अगर right करोगे तो उस cell से right side में नया add होगा, right? So these options can also be done with the shortcut menu. What that is simple, just right click on the cell, you'll find this insert option, और वहाँ से भी आप सारी चीज़ें कर सकते हो, right? Let's have I'll just show you now. This is this. I'm clicking on this particular row, right? या मैं इसको select कर लेता हूँ. I'll just click on this cell, right? I'm selecting this. Now if we click on insert above, a row is added above that text which we have selected. And if you insert below, we'll get a new row below that, right? ऐसे ही insert left will insert a new text to that cell where we have clicked, and then insert right will add up a new to the right side, right? So then this is all about. Then next is your text directions are left. Alignment options, you can see Here are the alignment options. This is I'll just change the design of the table because I don't think this is properly visible, so I'll make it simple so that things are more clear. I'll take it this one. ये थोड़ा ठीक है. Let me increase the size of the text also. Now it is okay. I'll go to the line layout tab. This is the text direction. You can see align top left. This is top middle, top bottom. Sorry, left bottom. Then this is center and top. This is center and middle. This is center and bottom. ये right top है, ये right middle है और ये right bottom है. So जो जैसा आपको direction चाहिए that you can set up. And this is the directions. Just click it. It will move the text in any direction. 90 degree पे वो rotate कर देगा text को. Keep on clicking. It will move automatically. Fine. Okay, the next things are your ये कीबोर्ड शॉर्टकट रह गया. ये राइट क्लिक से ये सारे इंसर्ट वाले ऑप्शंस will are also available. You can see it yourself later on. That is merging and splitting a table. If you want to divide one table into two parts, so that can be done with the help of split table option, and it lies in the layout tab again in the table tools group. There's an option called a split table button, right? And it's in the merge group, right? So from there you can divide the table into two parts like this. You can see here in the screen. Fine. Merging means joining two tables into one. दो tables को जोड़ के एक बनाना. तो वो simple है. आपको दोनों tables के बीच में जो gap है, you click on that, like this is the gap. You click here and then press the delete button from the keyboard. तो दोनों tables join हो जाएंगे, right? And to delete a table, you have an option here just next to the alignments, that insert and insert row, insert column option ke just next है delete. When you click on this, we'll get the last option as delete table. So this will delete the entire table, right? And to copy a table, if you want to create a copy of the table, so for that you just select the table first, then click on the copy icon on the top and go to the new location and then click on the paste option. We know this clipboard copy and paste option lies in the home tab in the clipboard group, जो हम normally use करते हैं. We can use the same options, right? Or the other way you can use that keyboard controls also. Control C for copy, Control V for paste. Fine. And similarly to move a table from one place to another, उसके लिए आपको cut paste use करना पड़ेगा. And it is again that same option. होम टैब में क्लिपबोर्ड में जाओ, कट करो और देन गो टू होम टैब क्लिपबोर्ड ग्रुप एंड देन click on paste to paste it into a new location. Or control X is for cut and control V is for paste, right? So that can also be done, right? Now let's have a look on all these options so that I'll show you the splitting and merging first of all. Now if you want to divide this table into two parts, so I'll just click over here, right? And you'll find this split table option here in the merge group of the layout tab. Just click it. तो ये दो tables बन जाएंगे यहाँ पे. बेटा mic is on. Somebody has switched on the mic, so kindly close it. Fine. So this divides the table into two parts. Fine. And again, if you want to join two tables into one, which is called as merging of tables, that can be simply done. आप यहाँ पे click करो within the gap and just press the delete key from the keyboard. This will join the two tables back, right? And to remove a table, select the table, right? and in that layout tab you'll find this delete option. Last one is the delete table. You click on this, that table is deleted, right? And I'll undo it again because we need to do more things about it. Fine. Then the next is about copy paste and move. चलो ये भी एक बार देख लेते हैं. कॉपी पेस्ट होम क्लिक टेब में ये कॉपी ऑप्शन है. गो टू द न्यू लोकेशन, क्लिक ऑन दिस पेस्ट, राइट, और राइट क्लिक करो, आपको तब भी कॉपी ऑप्शन मिलेगा, राइट, और कंट्रोल सी इफ यू प्रेस दैट आल्सो ब्रिंग्स यू कॉपी, राइट. आई विल अनडू इट अगेन. ऐसे ही मूव के लिए राइट क्लिक कट, गो टू द न्यू लोकेशन, राइट, और पेस्ट फ्रॉम हेयर, और राइट क्लिक और कीबोर्ड कंट्रोल जो है की कंट्रोल प्लस वी और पेस्टिंग इट. ठीक है. Okay, I'll go back to the book. Let's see what else is there. Border and shading of the table. This I've shown you already that these are the ready-made table styles available. The border styles, basically the design styles that you can simply apply. So you can select the border type from here. Another way is you'll also find two options over here. We have shading and borders. Now, if you click on the borders, you'll find this list. Now here you can select any kind of border that you want to apply. Like if you want all borders, so it will highlight all the borders. And if you don't want border, if you want to remove, then no border option is there. अगर आपको राइट साइड में बॉर्डर चाहिए तो राइट पे लगाओ, लेफ्ट भी है, टॉप भी है, बॉटम भी है, इनसाइड बॉर्डर इज ऑल्सो देयर, right, diagonal form of border is also there. So all sort of borders we can create from here, right. And just next to it you'll find borders के बिल्कुल सामने आपको यहाँ दिख रहा है, ये देखो, ये है line size and line color, right. The below part is the line size. If you click over here you'll get these are different line sizes. A half point है, then 3 by 4 point है, 1 point है. So the sizes, if you want to change, you can change the size of the line that you're using, and the upper part will have the color. So from here you can choose this pen color option is there, from where you can choose the colors, right. You can change the color of the border, right. Let's have a look on this also. I'm selecting the entire table. See how I'm selecting the entire table. Just click on this small symbol on the corner, right. So एक आपको यहाँ पे ये भी मिलेगा, एक छोटा सा बॉक्स है. This is to move the table, resize the table, जो मैंने बताया था शुरू में कि we can resize with the help of these handles. So we can also do this, right. चलो, I'll just go to borders. It is in the design tab. ये हमने कुछ डिज़ाइन टेबल स्टाइल्स लगाए थे. Now let's see this border option. If you want to change, if you want to remove the border, let me remove it first. तो no border कर दिया, borders हट गए, right. And if you want only outline border, will show you outline border. Likewise you can choose inside borders चाहिए तो inside borders भी आ जाएंगे. Likewise you can simply choose the border, and from here we can change the line size of the line. You just click on the line that you want to apply with the effect, right. Likewise you can change the border lines, and here is the color. You can change the color of the pen that you want to apply. So with this we can change the color of the borders, right. One more option is there. This is a shading option, right. So अब हमने यहाँ पे जो कलर सेट किया था, that color is set permanently. If you try to click on all borders, तो सारे बॉर्डर्स पे सेम कलर और वो साइज जो है वो अप्लाई हो जाएगा, राइट। तो अगर आप पेन, इफ़ यू डोंट वांट टू यूज दिस पेन कलर, देन यू कैन यूज डू इट दिस वे। यहाँ से आप साइज सेलेक्ट कर लो और यहाँ से आप, यहाँ दिस इज ऑल्सो वन ऑप्शन वेयर यू कैन choose different style of borders, right, and then click on this to be applied, right. But these are fixed, we cannot change the color of these, right. So if you want to change the color, you have to choose the first one and then click on this, that option will be applied. And if you go with the shading option, you'll find background colors. You can change the background color, right. So the color that you want to apply for the background, just click on that color, that will be applicable. Fine. Okay, that's it from this topic. Now the next thing is about converting text to table and the table to text option. See, when you insert a table, what happen is that now let's say if we have typed certain things before, बाद में मुझे लगा यार मैंने इसको टेबल में बनाना था. Now टाइप करने के बाद you think of that you want to insert a table. In place of the text, you want to put everything into the table. For that, we have an option to call as convert text to table, right? So this lies in that tables option in the insert tab. So table drop down box में जहाँ से हम table add करते हैं वहीं पे है convert text to table. So that help us to insert a table, right? These are the when you click on this option, you'll get this dialog box where you have to specify how many columns you want, right? And whether you want them fixed width or auto fit to content, auto fit to window. These options just we have seen there in the auto fit option. ये वही तीन options है, right? And separate text. This is important part. Separate text at where it will automatically identify the column line should come. Column कहाँ line कहाँ आएगी वो कैसे identify करेगा? That you have to specify. अगर आप लिखोगे commas, तो आपने जहाँ भी टेबल में कॉमा लिखा है वहाँ पे लाइन इंसर्ट हो जाएगी. अगर आप लिखोगे टैब्स, तो जहाँ भी टैब्स प्रेस किए हैं वहाँ पे लाइन इंसर्ट होगी, राइट. और यू कैन चूज अदर ऑप्शन लाइक समबडी वांट्स टू ऐड अप अ डैश, तो डैश वाली जगह पे लाइन ऐड होगी, राइट. सो लेट्स हैव a look on this. I'm using tab, okay. I'm just giving a tab space. I'm not putting comma. Right. I want to bring everything into border first of all. So what you need to do is select this text, insert table, convert text to table. How many columns we want? 2. And rows will automatically detect column with the fixed width, which is automatic, or you want it auto fit to window या auto fit to content कर लेते हैं. और यहाँ पे टैब सेलेक्ट करना है बिकॉज मैंने टैब प्रेस किया था यहाँ स्पेस देने के लिए, राइट. एंड क्लिक ओके, फाइन. और टेबल डिज़ाइन लेआउट जो है वो हमने जो पहले सेलेक्ट किया था इट विल बी अप्लाइड, राइट. दैट यू नीड टू चेंज if you want to. Fine, this is how convert to text option is there. And another is converting a table to text means if you want to remove that table, so that can also be done. It is there in the data group. Click on the layout tab and then you'll find in the grid data group will have this option convert to text. तो वो टेबल सेलेक्ट करने पे ही हमारा लेआउट टैब आता है. You'll find this convert to text option here. Click here and it will again ask separate text with. कहाँ से separate करना है? हमने tabs use किए थे. We'll go with the tabs option. Okay. So we'll get that table is removed. Only text is left. right? So we can do these both ways. Okay, then is add borders and shading to the page and paragraphs and text. See, as you see here, these options जो हमने अभी किए थे वो tables border थे. अगर आपको उससे पूरे पेज को border देना है, how can you do this? This option is also available in the home tab in paragraph group, right? So there you can put up border to the page. Border and shading option will come up, and in that, this is the border and shading option. And from there, you can select the border. You can select the line you want to use as a border. You can change the color of the line you want to use. और जैसे ये नीचे कुछ figures की form में lines बनी हैं. All these options lies in this. You just scroll down, you'll find these options, and from here you can change the width of the line that you want to apply as the border. Fine. And apply to text, apply to paragraph. These are the options you can select from here. Right? So with this, whatever text is there, उसका border create हो जाएगा. और अगर आपको पूरे paragraph को border देना, you can select the paragraph. And अगर आपको page border देना है तो ये ऊपर page border tab पे जाओ, and you'll find the similar options, right? So यहाँ पे artwork option है, यहाँ से वो figures हम लोग डाल सकते हैं. Right, so this will be applied to the full page, and this will be applied to a paragraph or a text, right? Then you can also put shading. Shading में जाएंगे तो you can fill color. You can put a color to the full page. Fine. Or from here you can select the patterns also, or you can apply shading to the text and the paragraph from these options, right? Fill box में जाके आप color choose कर लो. Pattern में जाके you can choose the pattern. I think pattern की image नहीं दिखाई. I'll show you there then. So let's see these options. I'll go to home tab, paragraph group. बॉर्डर एंड शेडिंग में आपको यहाँ पे मिलेगा, लास्ट ऑप्शन इज बॉर्डर एंड शेडिंग, राइट? जो बॉर्डर वाला symbol है, you just click on that small arrow, you'll get the border and shading option over here. Click on this. These are the borders that we can apply to a paragraph or the text. ठीक है, तो हम यहाँ पे टेक्स्ट ले लेते हैं बिकॉज हमने टेक्स्ट सेलेक्ट किया हुआ है. तो यहाँ से आप कोई सा भी बॉर्डर उठा सकते हो, राइट? एंड यू कैन चेंज द कलर ऑफ द बॉर्डर, राइट? एंड यू कैन, दिस इज फिक्स साइज. अगर साइज चेंज करना है तो फर्स्ट वाला ले लो. Sorry. And these are the lines to remove, right? So this can be removed. Now I'll choose paragraph. पैराग्राफ में ये होता है कि टेक्स्ट में तो सिर्फ एक टेक्स्ट को वो बॉर्डर लगाएगा. पैराग्राफ में जितना भी पैराग्राफ है फुल को बॉर्डर जाएगा. सो दीज आर द ऑप्शन टू रिमूव लाइंस. इफ यू डोंट वांट द बॉटम लाइन, यू कैन रिमूव फ्रॉम हेयर. यू वांट द टॉप लाइन, यू कैन रिमूव फ्रॉम हेयर. ऐसे ये लेफ्ट वाली और ये राइट वाली लाइन्स को रिमूव करने के लिए, ठीक है? So choose the design, just click OK. So we'll get that border on the text we have selected. Now let's talk about page border. Similarly, you can choose up the pages. If you want to apply a line as a page, we can give a line. You can choose a line from here. Again, you can remove and add up lines from the side. right? You can increase and decrease the text so that page border is applied, as you can see over here, right? And talking about that artwork, you'll see this artwork at the done. Now from here, some catchy art designs are there that you can use as page border, right? So choose OK. So that can also be used as a page border. Fine. And the last one is the shading group. In the shading group, this is all we can how we can set the color of the shade. We haven't selected that text. I'll go to the text first of all. Now if you want to give the color, you can choose the color, click OK. So we'll apply that color over here, right? Or if you can change the pattern, these are the different colors shading. ये इंटेंसिटी कलर की है, इंक्रीज डिक्रीज कर सकते हैं.